Kalat na yung iba. Sayang. Kunin lang natin yung kaya natin makuha kasi dito sa Dollar Tree ay marami kang makukuhang crab. Yung ano-ano na lang yung makukuha dito eh. Oh, there's another one. Upuan. There's more there. Oh, yung pakitkat. Kitkat. Ano natin tong straw? May gulpin, oh. Ano natin tong straw? Cola. Summit Cola. Natural flavor soda. Oh. Wow, puno ang basurahan nila. Uy, itlog. Ang itlog. Oh, ayan oh. Ayun yung isa nahulog oh. Natin sa kabila. Ay, nakuha ang itlog po. Yung sili. Sampak ng sili sa bahay. That's a lot of eggs. There's a lot of eggs, mahal. Organic eggs. Look. I'll try to grab it. Oh, you see? Oh my god. Wow, look at that. Oh. Oops. It's still cold. Cauliflower pizza. Oops. Oh no. That's a mess. Let me get the cauliflower pizza. You reach it? Oh, careful with the eggs. Maybe you can. Oh yeah. Awesome.
Eggs.
I'll just wash this. Gusan lang natin. Oh my! You won't touch the eggs. That's it. Try to get this. Oh, excuse me. Those are organic. Oh, yeah. Organic eggs. Huh? Kalat na yung iba. Sayang. Kunin lang natin yung kaya natin makuha kasi Sayang. Eh. That's it. Thank you. They're being free range. Ayan, oh. Nakapanginayang. Ayan. I brought some egg tray. Good thing. I got some egg tray. Nagdala ko ng egg tray. Ayan, ang lalaki. Ang lalaki ng itlog. Ay, naku, crack pala yun. Oh. Balik natin itong crack ko. Sayang naman talaga ang itlog. Crack na siya. Tingnan natin itong andito. Ito, ayan. May isang bulokis. Ay, may isang ano. Ayan, crack. Thank you. Matapon lang nila itlog dito. Ang mahal ng itlog. Yeah. That's crack. Kailangan itong matinding hugas pagdating sa bahay. Itong lalaki ko. Puro lunch. Okay. That's it. You can open it. Can you open it? You can't open it. There's a lot of crap there.
Oops. There's another skeleton.
Yeah, it's broken.
Bunch of crap in there.
There's no leg. Yeah, let's see. Maybe we can find good stuff. You know. Uy. Bastos. May ballpen. Sorry. Fake plants. Dito sa oh, there's another one. Upuan. There's more there. Oh, yung pakitkat. KitKat. Tingnan natin tong straw. May gulpin, oh. Tingnan natin tong straw. Oh, I got gloves for you. Mahal, oh. I got gloves for you. Yeah. Ano to? Acrology Premium. Open. Ay! Bukas ang Ventura. Ay! Buang. Nabuksan tuloy. Sweet brown sugar. Sayang. Yung bag siguro to. Uy! Uy natin to. Ayan ang crop. Crap. Go. Toy. Aray ko. Ang dami upuan. Sayang ang upuan, oh. Wala tayong paglalagyan kan. Aray ko.
I don't remember what I need it for, but I was thinking I needed something like this the other day.
Get it.
Wish I could remember what it was.
Bago to, oh. Kunin na natin ang straw. Ay, basag. Basag. Basag pala, sayang. Kasi
Chimichanga.
Hmm?
Get hot from
what is that? Chimichanga. Wala na. Kunin natin ito ang lagayan. Ayun. What you got, love? You got a crab?
crab.
How many crab you got? You got more? Oh? Spoon and
Awesome
fork.
crunchy curl.
No, thank you. I'm good.
Chicken fries.
No. That's not good. Oh, there's some sausage. Some sausage. Fall. What is that?
Trash bag.
Trash bag. Awesome. I want that. Looks pretty. Lantern, oh. That's lantern. I hope it's not broken. Oh, pretty. I'll get that. Hindi butas. Hindi battery. Pero pwede na yan. Hindi battery. Get the baggy slap.
There's more on the ground.
Yeah, I know. Oh, what is that?
These are better.
Yan yung nakuha ni Habi, oh. See, pepper kiss. Uy, pepper plate. What is this? What is this? Tissue? Oh, you got sponge. Oh, may sponge na nakuha. Ano kaya to? This for you, Visa. You want some Visa credit? Visa.
These are, yeah. Your keyboard has a thing where you can program them. I'm curious. I've never tried it. I want to try to program
Oh, yeah?
them. Yeah.
Oh, mahal. Oh, stepping. It's a boxes. Oh, maybe paint your own. Huh?
Things you own? Whoops.
It's in the other
Oh,
bag.
man.
It's in the other bag.
That's too bad.
What is it? Vanilla cream, soft caramel. Oh, it's
Those
open.
Are good.
This is bad food. Oh, that's too bad. They're all broken. Oh. You paint it.
What is it?
You will paint it.
Oh.
Oh, it's not. This one, oh. And there's a lot of storage, mahal. Oh,
Oh,
yeah. Move this box. Oh, they're off. See?
Swedish fish.
You're not looking. Let me see. Some are broken. Some are not, I think. Oh, let me see. Oh, mahal. Oh. Oh, mahal. Oh. It's not broken. Oh, you can paint it. Hmm?
Oh, I would like that.
$3. Stepping stone. These are stepping stone with color thing. Ang galing nito mga
With the paint.
yeah, with the paint. Ano natin? Pipintahan mo. Ah, ang galing. Makuha. Ay ko. Nagutom si Kano. Kumain na. Oh, they're not all broken. They're not broken. I can't get it. There. Oh. Ang dami siya. Too much crap. Oh, come on.
Lift the box. Let me see.
It's gonna be heavy, I think, if you papansin. Get mo sa plastic. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in it. What was that? Yeah, those big bag. Yeah, that one. What is that?
I don't know. Here, I'll get in there.
You wanna go inside? Okay. I hope I don't forget this.
Put in there.
You're so heavy. It's heavy. You wanna get all of that? We will paint it. It's chips. What is that?
Castor oil.
Oh, broken. Ah. It's sweet. Why it smells sweet?
Oh, cheese.
Wala na.
Zen water. Uh-oh. Broken.
Let's put that. Be careful.
Oh, oh, yay.
No. That's bad. That's empty. Oh, see? I told you it's empty.
It's empty.
I'll paint it. Ang dami oh. Kailan natin ito? Pintahan natin. Cola. Coca-Cola. Summit Cola. Natural flavor soda. Ang daming kamatis. Oh! Look at that sibuyas. Oh my god, there's a lot of eggs, mahalo. Look.
We don't. We.
Yeah, we have enough eggs.
Yeah.
We don't need cola, right?
Collar?
Cola.
Cola?
Yeah, it's cola. 1 case of cola.
Maybe sugar. Give it to me.
Yeah, okay, give it to Ate May. Yeah. And slow. Main slow. Hello? Ano nga dito? Sa ating alakan. Ang daming nagtapo ng ano dito oh. Party-party ito. Mga party-party yata sila dito oh. Party-party. Yes, yeah, party-party. Party-party nga sila oh. Empty. They had a party. We had a party. These are all empty. Ow! That was glass. Oh! I got something. Water. Canada Dry tonic water.
Yeah. Just water.
So just water.
You can get it. It's
Just water.
yeah. Well, it's sparkling water. Oh.
What's in there? Oh! See? I told you somebody's in there. Tingnan nyo. Muy mahal. This is margarita mix. Handcrafted. There's more?
No.
Wala na. Yung nagtago mga sorry, nakuha namin. Dumpster diver kaya kami. Wala na. Yun lang. Yan mga Mars. Ito na yung naharbat natin. Paunti-unti ang laman ni Mr. Bean ngayon. Hindi kadami. Talagang, medyo tinamad ako magkalkal. Kaya yung nakikita ko lang ganun. Pero sinipag kami ni Habi magkalkal dito sa crop na to. So, sa $3 ito, $3 ito. Ayan na, yung mga nakuha natin. Ayan na, nakuha natin yung mga Tupperware. Ilan to? 2, 4, 6, 8. Walong Tupperware. Tapos itong lantern na di battery. Ang ganda niya. Tapos may pa-tissue. Itong, anong tawag nito? May, kinuha ko yung straw. Baka magamit natin yan in the future. Tapos itong Optimus. Ballpen, fine point. Ayan o, dalawa. Yung isa nawawala. And then, my fake extension eyelash ba to? Tapos ito, ano ba to? May kinuha ni Habi, oh. Chocolate. Tatlong piraso. May bubble gum, oh. Bukas na. Yung ballpen, hindi ko napansin, oh. Tingnan nyo, wala pala yung ano, oh. Yung taas, pero nasulat siya. Magagamit natin yung ink. Sayang, di ba? Mahal ng ballpen. Tapos ito, ano kaya to? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Gamit din yata to. Tapos meron tayong nasal relief. And KitKat na kokonte. Better than nothing, di ba? Tapos meron tayong tatlong ballpen. Lapis. May pang scrub. Ayan o. Hugas natin pang hugas. Ayan. Sponge. Tapos meron itong pepper plate na kuha ni Habi o. Ayan o, sakto nagbibigay ako ng pagkain sa ano. Pag nagsobra-sobra yung naluluto ko, nagbibigay ako sa aking kapitbahay. So, ngayon, marami kaming pepper plate eh. Hindi ko lang makita kung saan ko na itago. Binibigay ko yung plato eh, para hindi na babalik yan. May pepper plate na ako para sa kanila. tapos meron nito, kinuha ni Habi itong Visa Celebrate. Ayan hindi ko lang kung may pera iyan. Pang gift. Tapos ito pa, Visa Debit, a gift for you, Visa. Tapos may Burger King, may Burger King card. Ayan. Tapos may, ano to, cotton balls. May gloves. Meron tayong storage bag. Yung Ziploc baggies. Tapos may trash bag tayo. Tapos, merong Zen water. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayong margarita. Ayan o. Jose Cuervo. Light margarita mix. Just add tequila. Ito naman margarita mix din. Lagyan lang natin ng tequila yan. Kita nyo yan. Nasa likod ng dumpster. Tinabi na. Tapos, itong mga stepping stone. Ayan o. Tingnan nyo mga martinesting ko. Parang magandang libangan ito. Ayan o. Ito yung mga pinta, tapos may brush, ayan o, ayan yung brush. Tinry ko lang yan siya, o, tingnan nyo. Star, ano siya, dragon, tapos isda. Hindi ko alam kung ano, ano to, parang, ayan siya, o. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Ayan o, nakalimutan ko na kung anong tawag yan. Ito naman yung isda. Ayan o, isda, fish doon. Ayan, tapos, meron tayong cola. Ayan. Isang case ng cola. So, ibigay natin ito sa ating kapitbahay. Hindi kami uminom ng soft drinks, mga Mars. Kaya minsan hindi ko kinukuha yung soft drinks na nakikita natin. Kasi hindi kami uminom ng soft drinks. Tapos, may animal cracker. Ayan. Tapos, ang itlog. Ito pala, may pizza tayo. Ang itlog, mga Mars. So, kawawa naman o, nakita nyo, di ba pinilian ko yan siya? Ayan o. Ang nangyari, nasiraan kami. Ay, sorry po. Nasiraan kami. Ngayon, din tinaw yung sasakyan. Din nagpataw kami. Hala, pagdating namin sa bahay o, nag-alog-alog sa loob ng sasakyan. Nagkalat yung itlog sa loob ng sasakyan o. Kanda basag-basag yan sila o. So, tingnan natin. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung nabasag dito. Hugasan ko. Ito bibigay ko to sa aking kapitbahay kasi marami pa tayong itlog na sa ref. So wala tayong lalagyan. So kailangan natin i-share ang ating blessings. Diba mga Mars? So ayan. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa aking video mga Mars. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon para po ma-notify tayo sa aking video i-upload. At pa-follow naman po ako sa aking Facebook page, Bicolano sa America. Salamat po ulit. Bye!